Welcome back. In this video we're going to be learning that fast country lick in A. I'm going to be playing a 50s Road Worn Telecaster through a Fender Hot Rod amp, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is take your index finger and place it onto the D string, 2nd fret. And then we're going to hammer onto the D string, 4th fret. Now we're going to play the open G and hammer on to the G, 2nd fret. So the first 4 notes are, and then after that we're going to pull off from the G on the 2nd fret. Then we're going to take our ring finger and hammer on to the D on the 4th fret. Then we're going to take our index finger and hammer on to the 2nd fret on the D string. And then pull off on the D string on the 2nd fret. So the first part of that. Then next we're going to take our middle finger and hammer onto the 3rd fret on the A string. And now we're going to take our ring finger and hammer onto the A string, 4th fret. Now we're going to play an open D and hammer onto the D with our index finger on the 2nd fret. So those last 3 notes. Pull off on the D string on the 2nd fret. And then the last 2 notes are taking your middle finger and hammering onto the A string on the 3rd fret, and then taking your ring finger and hammering on the A string on the 4th fret, and then finally play the A chord. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also leave comments down in the comments box. I'll see you next time.